In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. Mailchimp is a robust email marketing tool that enables both businesses and individuals to build, manage, and automate their email campaigns efficiently. To start, let's go over how to sign up and set up your account. Head over to Mailchimp's website and create an account. The sign up process is fairly straightforward, but if it's your first time, it's a good idea to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its features. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to create and manage your email list. This is crucial as your audience forms the core of your marketing efforts. From the dashboard, locate the Audience tab, click on it. Here you'll find options to manage your subscribers. To bring in your contacts, click on Import Contacts. You have multiple ways to add these contacts. You can upload a CSV file, copy and paste them manually, or even integrate with other platforms like Shopify or WordPress. If you choose to upload a CSV file, ensure your data is formatted correctly to avoid any transfer issues. This ensures a smooth contact import process. Once you're ready, click on Finalize Import to complete this task. Now let's move on to creating an email campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab and then select Create Campaign. Here you'll need to choose the type of email you'd like to send. You can opt for regular emails, set up automated emails for events like a welcome sequence, carry out A/B testing for different email variants, or send simple plain text emails based on your specific needs. Once you've chosen your email type, the next step is selecting your recipients. You can choose your entire audience or a specific segment to cater to particular interests or demographics. Designing your email is where the creativity comes in. Mailchimp offers a variety of pre-designed templates to get you started. Use the drag and drop editor to customize the text, images, and buttons to align with your branding. For a touch of personalization, utilize merge tags to include subscriber names or other details in your emails, making them feel more customized and engaging. As you set up your email details, pay special attention to the subject line. A captivating subject line can significantly boost your email open rates. You'll also need to configure the from name and email address, ensuring they resonate with your brand for consistency. Finally, it's time to send out your emails. You have two options. Send them out immediately once they're ready, or schedule them for a future date and time to catch your audience at the perfect moment. Overall, Mailchimp stands out as a beginner-friendly yet powerful email marketing platform. By following the steps we've discussed today, you can effortlessly create effective email campaigns, automate various workflows, and analyze your results to enhance engagement with your audience.